Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we're going to go over a new project currently in their pre-sale phase. And it's going to be one that's fairly interesting in what they look to bring to the table. And as a crypto investor, it does provide a lot of solutions to some of the problems within trading crypto, especially what we're seeing right now in meme coins. Yes, this is a new project. Yes, this is a pre-sale stage. But I want to share with you guys kind of why they differentiate from other meme coins in the market. This is not a meme coin. This is a crypto index. All right, token. And if you are familiar with indexes, we're going to get into a brief kind of overview of what they do, why you want to kind of have exposure to them, and I'll kind of share with you guys how this crypto works and what their vision is moving forward. And we're also going to buy this crypto live on stream. So appreciate you guys all tuning in. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, join us here at the Crypto Mark, and we're going to get into this video right now without further ado. So we are going to be talking about cryptoindex.com. Okay. Now, please keep in mind, guys, this is not financial advice. Always be sure to do what's best for you in your crypto financial journey. This is just me talking about a project. This is a sponsored video. So always be sure to do your own due diligence with any projects and any kind of investment that you're going to make. Okay. So let's get right into it, and let's get the big step out of the way. Let's just go ahead and buy Indx right now, the INDX token. And right now you can see on your screen, I'll get my head out of the way, but this is where you can see that the INDX is right now at a 58% discount to the TGE price, okay? Right now it's at a price of 32,032. And if you want to look at what it's going to be at launch, at the token generation, it will be 077, okay? And it's kind of similar to what we see with other pre-sales, okay? The countdowns before there's price raising, price increases, and this is stage 4 of their pre-sale, so they have finished stage 3. And that's where that discount keeps changing and changing and changing before the token actually gets launched, okay? Also, we're going to showcase some of their social platforms, big following on X, Telegram, Discord, as well as having that CertiK KYC Silver audit to give a little bit more confidence whenever you get into a pre-sale. And with these pre-sales, though, guys, I always like to tell people it's one of those things where it's truly a gamble. Some of them pay off, some of them don't. But this is different. It's not just a meme coin. This is more so a form of utility and within indexes that we're going to talk about. I hope you guys get a better idea because it is really a good idea. So I'm hoping for some success within this buy. All right, so we are going to buy right now, and you can see kind of how this works. You can launch into the swap within BNB, Ethereum in terms of those two networks, and we're just going to use the BNB side of things and get on with some Tether. Okay, so we're going to just do 200 USDT, okay? And that's where you can see if you do have a referral code, use that referral code, and then just go ahead and approve the transaction. And then boom, you can see very instantly that this will be confirmed. Just go ahead and approve and then confirm it there within your wallet integration. Wait a couple seconds. And then you can see with confirmation, boom, we have made a deposit, and then enter your email. And then you are good to go, okay? Also, you could subscribe to our Telegram bot as well, but then you can see right now, guys, that we have bought the INDX token. Okay, so now we will wait until those tokens are distributed. Right now, you can see that my to be received is coming in stage 4, but I do have a transaction that we will see as stage 4 ends in 20 hours, 6 minutes, and 2 seconds and counting. Okay, so that's kind of what we're going to get into a little bit further now as we go down into actually their site. So let's look into exactly what they have going on. Okay, also be sure to take your chance at $1 million. Just join the community by putting your email right here and submitting, and then that's something that you could be unlocking the chance to earn $1 million from a $1 million pool, okay? So let's just talk briefly what an index is, okay? So if you're familiar within kind of the NASDAQ, within kind of traditional finance, it's a cluster, it's a way to group you know, and be more dynamic of the overall market, okay? It's something where it puts it all together, and it's something where In crypto, it's a very, very interesting way to go about trading crypto, because what we saw basically is a huge drop in the market in Q1 of 2025, and only diversification really was the key to success. A lot of cryptos are down substantially, and within the INDX token is a way to diversify and allow exposure to different kind of areas of crypto without kind of going all in, and it kind of does it for you. Now, the interesting thing is, once you get going within cryptoindex.com, you can also create your own index and what you're looking to target, what you want to be specific in, and that's going to be a very innovative way to create your own index within their platform, and that's what you're going to want to check out. Okay, so getting further into it, right now, if you do buy INDX tokens, I forgot to mention that you do get a 5% increase, a bonus, if you will, within that buying of the INDX token. Okay, but this is going to be something that they look to bring the world's largest index trading market into crypto and Web3. That's coming out from Keith Thierry, the co-founder of TechCrunch, and they're looking to tokenize a $224 trillion marketplace. Okay. So this is something where you look into kind of where the crypto index market is. The expected size within this tokenization is expected to be at $500 billion. And it's going to be something where, if this does get some legs and it takes off, this is going to be something very fascinating to watch unfold. Okay. Now, within this stage that they're in with their pre-sale, I talked about that bonus, but you also want to understand that this is something going on within kind of how indexes are set up in the first place. It's a way to diversify, okay? And there are different strategies that you can deploy. Within these that will allow you to earn passive income, and it's something where you look into kind of a lot of yield-bearing cryptos. You can also do that, create an index, and then boom, that is the index that you created, okay? So you're going to want to play around with their website, and you can see right now within this graphic that I have up on your screen where you can basically choose your own index, okay? And you can see kind of what the nuts and bolts are. Okay, global blockchain. You can see kind of the price change over a 1 month time period, the total value locked, how many holders, and the performance over the last month. Also, just more examples, these are blockchain ecosystem indexes, but they also will offer exchange indexes, meme coins, leading fund portfolios, protocols, and there's also a lot more. Once you get up and running, you can go explore this. Okay, so within Crypto Index, they do have a way to earn by holding, and that's something where you can get more out of your INDX tokens. This is something where you look into kind of the fees involved, but the hold to earn does matter to generate passive income, higher returns, and also leads within Web3 innovation. Okay, and this is where we're going to kind of segue into a video where not only within this index you can decide your entry, exit, and success fees for once you create your own index, basically creating all the rules, not buying into somebody else's index. You have that freedom and flexibility, okay? And the fees will be shared, and it's something where you will earn a share of those fees along the way as well, okay? So that's something that does going. It's basically, if you take your crypto investing strategy, create your own index, and people will buy into it. That's kind of the nuts and bolts of it, guys. And that's kind of why it is revolutionizing the way kind of Web3 and crypto is all coming together within DeFi as well. So I do want to share with you guys this video real quickly, and it's going to explain a little bit more so.
Until I started earning consistently. Now, thanks to the Crypto Index platform, I create my own indexes, and my followers easily invest alongside me. We're all earning together. Let me introduce you to Crypto Index. It's incredibly user-friendly. Here's how I built my index. I logged in, named the index, and wrote a description explaining my strategy. I'm a big Layer 2 believer, and all market trends pointed to it being the hottest sector. From over 10,000 tokens on DEXs, I picked the best and set their shares. I kept transaction fees low, management fees moderate, and offered high revenue sharing to make it even more rewarding for my followers to hold my index. In less than 4 hours, we hit the funding goal and deployed the index. Some of my followers have joined my index, and now I'm earning extra commission for managing it. Everyone's winning, and this is just the beginning.
So very interesting, okay? And that's kind of what it leads into, all right? So if you are going to get involved with this project, please check out the white paper. You can see there's a lot of information here, okay? There's this kind of the introduction, talks about some of the benefits, features, functionality, fees structure, as well as the INDX tokenomics, the allocations, lockup, vesting, and the utility behind it. So you're going to want to read all about this because there's a whole plethora of information, okay? And you can kind of see, like I talked about, there are a lot of benefits exclusive to INDX holders. And you can see kind of the breakdown, I should say, of the tokenomics. This is kind of where you can look into the overall map where you see 28.9% to the public sale, 5% to the team, 2% to the advisors, 8% to the listing fund, 23.1% to treasury, 10% to liquidity, and 23% to community rewards, okay? And it's kind of the mantra of their platform: the more INDX you own, the more you will earn, okay? And if you want to do more research, like I said, guys, there is that CERTIC audit also within the white paper. You can meet the team, the CEO, all of the big higher-ups within this, and look at their backgrounds and kind of their expertise within their board of advisors as well. And that's kind of where you can do some more research along their roadmap in terms of where this pre-sale is headed and off into launch period, okay? So that's kind of what I'm going to end with. To sum it all up, guys, it's a very intriguing way that they're going to create this platform to offer a lot of diversification, especially in a market where you're going to kind of want to have exposure to a lot of different areas within Web3 due to the fact and the ongoing nature that crypto is remaining volatile, and the winners are clearly the ones that are spread out and diversified within this environment, okay? So an index is a great way to do that, all right? So that's kind of what it comes down to, guys. You look at past altcoin seasons and some success that we've had. That's kind of where you look into these indexes and how you can create your own strategy, basically, have others buy into it, earn passive rewards with that, and commissions that will be stemming from kind of the tokens that are burnt, as well as the transactional fees. So it's a very interesting kind of not just strategy, but a concept, and it's something within this platform that I think is something that has not really been done before. So I'm interested to see where this project can head. Like I said, guys, there will be a link down below in the description if you want to buy into the pre-sale and get some INDX tokens. Do so using the link down below. Make sure to do your own research and due diligence, but that's what I got for you guys in my review of cryptoindex.com, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.